Hey everyone, welcome back to Nom on a Budget, where great meals don't break the bank. Today, we're making a quick, cheap, and healthy fried rice, perfect for those weekends or stretching those grocery dollars. Let's get right into it. First, I'm setting my Instapot to saute mode and adding a splash of oil. We'll let things heat up while we prep the rest. This whole dish comes together so fast, so stick around, you won't want to miss it. Alright, oil's hot. Time to crack in 2 eggs, nature's cheapest protein source that isn't just a can of beans. Give them a quick scramble, nothing fancy, we're not making an omelet for royalty, we're just keeping them moving. Here's a fun fried rice fact while we cook. Did you know it was invented to save old rice from going to waste? It's basically the original clean out your fridge dish. Fried rice walked so leftover hacks could run. Once they're scrambled and looking edible, maybe even impressive, go ahead and scoop them out. We'll bring these back later like a dramatic soap opera character, but for now, they're waiting off stage. Alright, eggs are out, off to rest in their cozy little bowl like breakfast royalty. Now we've got some flavor stuck to the bottom here, and that's gold, but only if we treat it right. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of chicken broth to deglaze the pot. Make sure you scrape all those little bits up from the bottom, this is important. Anything stuck down there could trigger the Instapot's burn warning later on. Just take a minute to get it nice and clean. Once it's done, we're ready for the next step. With the bottom deglazed, I'm adding 1.5 cups of chicken broth to get things simmering. Then, in goes a pound of diced chicken breast, a great lean protein that cooks fast. Finally, 2 cups of frozen peas and carrots. No need to thaw, straight from the freezer works just fine. Easy, fast, and healthy. Now I'm adding 1.5 cups of jasmine rice. Super fragrant, perfect for fried rice. But wash it really well. Like give it a proper rinse until the water runs clear. I didn't do it enough this time, and yeah, it turned out way too starchy in the end. Learn from my mistake, your rice and your texture will thank you. Okay, we're adding 3 teaspoons of minced garlic to the top. Then we're putting our lid on, sealing it, and we're going to be pressure cooking for 3 minutes on high. Alright, once the cooking's done, just let the Instapot naturally release pressure for 10 minutes. After that, you can go ahead and manually release whatever steam is left. While we wait, quick reminder, there's a full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions down in the description, so you can cook along at your own pace. And hey, if this recipe's been helpful so far, give the video a like. It really helps the channel and lets me keep bringing you more budget-friendly meals. Once that pressure is fully released, we'll be ready for the final touches. Now that everything's cooked and the pressure is released, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of soy sauce for that classic savory flavor. Then just 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. It's small, but trust me, this stuff brings big flavor. A little goes a long way, and it gives the dish that rich, toasty finish we all love in fried rice. Last step, just toss those eggs we cooked earlier right back in and give everything a good mix. And that's it. Cheap, quick, and delicious fried rice done right. If you like this one, go check out my other recipes and don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more budget-friendly meals coming your way.